Why? Why that look? Why?
Sugar.
Yeah?
What's shocking me, pal?
Why? Oh, madam.
It's won't be strange, be our bravo.
Be strange, my brother, madam.
Okay, won't be different, be our bravo.
Okay, the only different thing I'm observing, so I will come home and compound this year. That car parked outside. I'm buying a meeting, I say meeting bomb, but you know, me won't if I could even see her. And I can't no car key be any more, direction be any more. And me own enemy, the baby will be now. Oh, you grab my face a mini pen at car, my birthday. Apart from that, no, is they saying this 2-in-1 sitter here with this flower pot.
No, wait, no, don't laugh. It's compound, so you have to verify. Say, where is it coming from?
Where? I've been thinking. But so being to me for the embryo, like mommy be a clue about the whole thing.
But you have friends, at least call them.
That friends will call me afterwards sometimes.
Pursue say like do something about it. Maybe report to the police class say cabis will come to like any other.
Me only be see one say me go to car no.
Oh God, this girl.
Me call report it say me go real car. Me file me nyehwe. What is it for? What is it for?
That's the key.
Car key of that car.
And it's yours.
Huh?
That machine there.
Ella.
I come miss me from my birthday.
I knew it. Hey! One of the gifts? Yes! From my brother? Yes! Is he in town?
No, but I saw but me from my mom as birthday presents. Please call me!
My fainty.
Don't faint.
Hey! A call for me, a birthday gift. Charlie, girlfriend. Oh, thank you, God. Akumi. Oh, Akumi, dear.
So I always say, oh, but.
Of course, girl. You know how we do it. You know, I'm waiting for him.
No, you didn't try. Seriously. Almost a car pass to compound. So, one friend was saying,
I never thought of it because I know that if anything at all, the person will call. Text or something.
Anyway, just go and change and let's go pop champagne.
My nigga.
I'm controlling.
16 nigga.
Smoke and drink is better than stealing.
16 nigga.
Don't fuck with the realists, you fuck with a dead man walking.
16 nigga.
The greatest is the Lord.
Allah.
Oh, you. Hey, my name's Ghana Kamasa. Ghana Kamasa.
Akumi.
Yeah, I'm blessed. Oh, Jack, maybe say a check.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
When you got okay, we manage you. Say we and trade here. Okay.
There was a father.
Oh man, what's America there now? They move a texture we see very light.
What tasty?
My tasty, but someone said on a crook could be in Someone called them, I can't be here.
So what's up? Sugar half a
sugar there. Intina Mabada. And sugar there. You are mad, you know, sugar. I'm coming to one and say, oh, my person, you surprise me.
Serious. JB Shaman.
What does that mean, Judy? Maybe it's not a number here.
Maybe be a sweet amount. The sugar bed say,
but I'm surprised.
Ah,
with the figure, don't you? What they blame on them straight?
me the brown one, Cassa. It's so dumb.
Me don't fuck.
Because of Huma.
But sugar color no cry no. Ebi ni average dey. Amu nyina amu dey nkonfofo na aka ombodi. Bless and kiss. Bless and kiss. But Ghana weather mean to me on. Average be bia nyunu sa aso heat no. Esa na same skin no. Oh shit.
Offer cream bi amba like.
Dabi me pay cream no. Asa me ka say how Ghana na ntwe ni dey ni. Hi Ghana ne. Mama bla. Stop. Oh let me ask you a question. Mama bla.
Sweetheart na choba why?
Where na ntwe be dey? Huh?
Only one or more sister. What?
No problem. Yeah, 2 coins here, but no mama had a crap private castle. But surprise.
To tell 1 hour. 1 hour. So 1 hour.
The one I'm more. Some one I'm the time in
Mrs. Surprise. I can't tell you.
Ella, the one can't any sky was a petrol here. Surprise. There's a bomb form. The strongest of my fastest rain. We'll be your Sabi and cover you 2 for some running. In so. And I'm posted to Wella. Now, me buy the phone, bro. The 14 Pro Max, bro.
Allah!
Oh, you?
And the phone! Hey, no much.
Well, I'm no Casa Alfonso. Nothing to Baby Shall say you. I am my dress and Pacific Buffy, Bruni Cromedion. I'm more driving rice pudding. Met this rice pudding. That is so shagun chain. Now the my bread.
Eh, so baby,
Minya Bruno Brupa and Fuao. No cotton, Unini.
No, I mean it. Stana Tiro, and Yagana Tiro, Miss Row. Why? Shana and Udia Drenna no Yamia Pano JD. I open so deep bony panica. Just a me from Richina. Also, be bigger on that. Now, make sure I wonder so hard. Who is that? Bodin Prensa. Ella.
Hey!
Ella.
To me. Oh, like a try.
You don't stop this thing.
No.
Stop this thing.
Stana.
Sugar.
What's up?
What are you doing here?
Shoot.
Hey.
Sugar! What are you doing here?
Stana, what is this?
What is what?
What is this screaming about? What?
And what are you guys doing?
I don't know how Stana.
No!
Can't you say me train me home? I told you I'm waiting for
Stana,
my...
what? Calm down.
The question is, what are you doing here?
But Stana, why are you screaming?
Why am I screaming? I'm down and don't tell me I'm screaming, yeah?
Stana day.
What's it?
Don't you remember my friend Ella?
No, I'm not talking to your friend, I'm talking to you.
Stana,
And what kind of art is this?
Stana, no can't say one flashing corner open. I was say when you updating the other.
16.
Yeah.
Don't mess up.
What is mess up?
Sugar!
Stana, calm down. What is it?
Calm down.
Oh, Stana, not day.
No,
I say, not day.
Stana!
Sugar, wait. Oh, no.
Sugar, hold on.
Hold on, sir. I'm more yard. Stana, what do you think? Sugar, so I want spend every. Miss my order, Diane. Oh, no, dear, some clear. Ella! Stana, star one hand in our soon do. Hey, that's how many appointed.
I was pissed off yesterday. So you could see from my actions. Sugar. What happened there? And what were you doing in my friend's hotel's room?
Honey, I've asked you several times to calm down.
I'm down! Don't tell me I should calm down!
Baby, I'm not doing anything bad with the guy. I know him way back.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! I hate this! Don't touch me! Talk!
Accusations.
Yes, please.
For how long are you going to scream and yell at him?
I'm mad, so I have to scream. I'm crazy! Yeah. So I'm screaming. Sugar. Be out claiming so friend. Or bah! Let's see the actions that went on. more hagi, give you more pay or whatever. So, oh, it's Ankaman Betuswa, Ebianaka Patra Kutum. Of course.
What do you take me for?
What do I take you for?
What are those words you're using on me? I could see in front of my girlfriend. I bet Pachago told him.
And so what?
I didn't know Pachago told him.
Of course.
What is the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of what? My beloved girlfriend is in somebody. I love you. You love me alone. You never taught me. You know my friend. I've been saying my friend 16 niggas, and you never taught me. Yes.
I know him as Akumi.
Of course.
And I never knew his 16 niggas or whatever you call him. What's the meaning of this? You can't you calm down and talk to me as your wife to be?
Listen.
What is this?
Listen, I can't get this anymore. You are giving me second thought about you. Second thought about you. I don't know right now what I should do.
So I'm a cheat, right?
Yes, of course. Let me call you that. Let me call you that. Just imagine being in my shoes. Now me who about from. Now me call again. Now me get the one here. What are you going to do? Let me ask you.
Akwesi. What is this screams about?
What is this screams about? Oh, my girlfriend has been cheating on me. Oh God. Really? I'm okay. I'm okay. Yes.
That guy is my friend.
I don't care.
And nothing else.
I don't want to know.
But you are asking for explanations. But you don't want to know.
Just get it.
Alright, okay, so you don't want to know, right?
I don't want to know.
Let me tell you something. Think whatever you want to think.
Okay.
Behave as how you want to behave.
Okay.
If you can choose to take your ring.
Okay.
I'm tired.
I love this because you're doing this on right now. You're telling me to pull up my ring. Yes, and I'm going to do for what you have said. They say when people are angry, whatever they pull, it is right.
No, you don't want to listen.
I will not know you when you did it, and I hate you.
I didn't do anything.
Gas. Man, that work. Who is that?
16
Oh,
girl.
Yeah. Ella, what's poppin', man?
My friend, son, I phone down chance for.
That means I'm in my bread. But no more some bag now.
I mean,
When you're not coming, Sako.
why?
Sugar and tina mokroma. Sugar and tina mokroma. Me who sugar ni me course one me ra ho dodo. I'm a dakra na me tidin sugar. Na ma bo piti. Nkwa me phone so sugar so mfre no waka bibia akire me. Ela me ra ho. Esa me de me take it in be nim na ka me free Ghana Sako.
It's sugar free. Still on free.
One friend, sugar and friend.
Now on free.
The friend uncle. Not be rich at this moment. Me means you one thing there. It's too much.
You know what? Calm down.
And I'm coming down, so she
Everybody.
sugar. Can you do me one more sugar? Me never be my opia sit that. Agape love.
I understand. Me tiwase. I'll see what I will do.
Any baby. Show to me na me go
I'll talk. Yeah. You sure? Me have mom's car.
My sister dear, what you mean? We won't share that near wonders be also me to your cousin. See, wonders be blow my mind. And I'm in twist can go.
Sugar and Tiana like what off sir.
Sugar and apart from sugar mean to me go off sir.
Say who sugar is here?
Who sugar is here? I
come
can't
back.
Me bum mood him fucking.
What is so special with that girl?
Unim sugar. Nem komodi. The word in Tibet to me so na onim be din common crunch sem. Me kai gonna the day sugar. Ni o manya mfama me say pa. Me kai say me tell about the beach. The way sugar can say me sansem. San come try ya. Come the try.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. It's not kidding me. Sugar pa me her pictures be pa way back of the school bus say no be friend me here. Me need you sugar na better aduane and first person so I believe you better ya share pa me dia bro sugar. Sugar the mean me no wan drink finish down. Copy down flat as fast as so. Ela me sugar 2 weeks time sako. No kwela make a channel. Once I say me the phone be well.
Yeah.
14 Pro Max. But say me the sugar. No matter 7 plus amount. Why? For the meantime. Why? Because sugar phone now down. Then you know was so maintain me ninja. So my first 7 plus and my number 12.
Enough.
Enough is enough.
Yeah, enough. Okay, anyway, let's go for lunch.
The menu matter. I just am ready. Menu matter fuck.
Sister is me.
I know it's you, but the sugar what they mean appetite. Sugar near the other mamina salamin feel like home. Why? To the message do move on another chilling but. The person catch us with the phone name man. Say how?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay.
And you're okay.
Okay, sir. I'll see you.
No problem. I have a friend. Why? My friend be around the state because me tea cool snap me a drink sugar.
Okay.
Okay.